Hey guys, welcome back to Dell Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of Brave browser. So guys, if you don't know, there are no direct way to log out of the Brave browser because it is a profile based browser. So guys, for example, I have my Google account logged in. So in order for you to log out, and mostly guys, based on my experience, if you want to log out any account, just simply find the profile icon, and usually it will be located on the top right corner. And from there, you should be able to see the log out button most of the time. And now another option is you could select the three lines on the top right corner and then go to the settings. Here on the settings, go for privacy and security, and you will have delete browsing data, and you will have on exit. So guys, when you have an exit, or if you do anything on your browser, you could turn this on. So every time you open it up, it will automatically delete the browsing history, download history, and pretty much everything you check over here. And you could just simply select save. So every time you exit the Brave, it will automatically delete it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.